Yo, what is up, everyone? Thank you for joining in and dedicating some of your Sunday to some alpha. I hope you guys are having a good weekend. There's going to be a lot of alpha today. There's lots of stuff going on. The market is still, a bit sideways. Today they're pumping a bit, whatever. I'll tell you what, it doesn't freaking matter because if you're investing into meme coins and doing the trades that we are doing, you're probably still making money, whether the market is turning a little bearish, turning a little bullish. So today, I'm going to talk about some of the memes that defy the bearish to the bullish, and they're probably going to print next year, as well as telling you about some of the main ones that I would accumulate right now because, in my opinion, they might be considered cheap enough to accumulate for your bag so that you can sell next year, or perhaps you can do like some trades here and there, whatever. The trading style that you have is completely up to you. Don't take anything I'm saying today as financial advice, but hopefully I wish you the best and that you start printing with me because we're freaking printing in my VIP group. I've been on a rampage with early CAs, and I would say that 90% of them have worked with like crazy profits for us. And we might have something coming tonight. So the people in the Discord know. And if you're looking for an early CA, perhaps this is the right time to join because honestly, if you're not experienced with early CAs, obviously it's getting the early CA before it's public or right before or right in the moment when it's public on X, on Telegram channels, and then obviously you can do a swing trade, you have your backs to the moon. So this is the easiest way to make money in crypto, unpopular opinion. I don't think it's an unpopular opinion. That is the best way to make money in crypto, like, period, all right? But now, I'm not here to talk about early CAs, but obviously if you're interested in that, you know what to do. The other thing that I want to say before starting this live stream is I want to make a shout out to the Speedy community. Jesus Christ. I literally just finished making a price prediction video for Speedy. And I was mentioning in this video that I'm going to release in a couple of days, by the way. So make sure, Speedy guys, make sure to check it out. It's going to be live in a couple of days. How bullish the Speedy community is and how Speedy really defies the concept of cabal and cult, right? Because Speedy is not a cabal play. Speedy is a cult play. It's a community-driven project. There's not like a cabal holding 99% of the supply. It's a project that has one of the best communities that you can see in the sphere. And I was really bullish on... Thank you so much for the donation, by the way, Captain Zip. Much appreciated. As I was seeing in Turbo, like back in the day, you will probably remember, guys, the big run-up that Turbo had, right? And this was not a cabal play. This was a community-driven project. It was 2-0, and then everybody starts to realize that, and it goes to the moon, right? Well, I'm making a lot of comparisons between Turbo and Speedy because at the end of the day, they both blend into the AI sort of sphere, also with the art that is generated, etc. But the big thing is, look at Turbo with 95 plus spot exchange listings. Like, if you look at Speedy, that has a very similar community in terms of raiding, in terms of community engagement, in terms of YouTube presence. But then you look here on CoinMarketCap, they don't have a single centralized exchange listing. And this should be a no-brainer for you all to accumulate a project before it pumps forever. Some people were acting emotional. Oh, Cipro, it's 40 million. Now it's a stamp. It's go to 0. Listen, excuse me. I'll tell you this. Whenever I see big pumps like this, it's obviously not a good moment to buy. But here, I was doing some TA. And again, it doesn't take a genius to understand that the majority of projects, obviously, when they start the freaking big pump, they all correct 40 to 60% from all-time high because the early investors are going to take profits. And you can see here in the chart of Speedy, we have a 65% correction. Can I zoom? A 65% correction from the all-time high, the green wick, to the red wick that marked the bottom. Okay, and the majority of projects have exactly this. So they have the big pump. In the beginning, sorry, then we have the 40 to 60% correction. So let's put it here, 40 to 60. And as I said, this was the range. And then we have the accumulation area. We have the bounce back, higher highs and higher lows. So we have two options. We have I don't see the option that we do the dead cat bounce and go to zero. I don't think that's happening. In my opinion, we have just a couple options right now. We have the thing that we just go parabolic right here, but this also depends on the movement of Bitcoin, on the real world tensions in the Middle East, and I don't want to get political or whatever. Or we could just range and form a giant bull flag, like something of the sort, before we actually have the big leg up ultimately. But what matters to me is that we have a correction that is good enough as in comparison with the top that we've achieved. So I wouldn't hesitate accumulating now. Again, don't treat this as financial advice. I said it time and time again. I think that you could start, perhaps, if that was me, okay, if that was me accumulating turbo, and I found, why did I say turbo? Sorry, shame on me. I'll put the stupid button. Stupid. If I wanted to accumulate Speedy right now, I would do one of two things. I would either accumulate a bit right now and DCA meaning dollar cost averaging, you do a small buy, you don't go all in right now, and then wait, because obviously we have a bottom here, so we could have another bottom there. So we could range and then maybe we go here. So this is called a double bottom, and it's a bullish pattern in crypto, and then we go up. So I would DCA here, okay, number one. And then if it goes here, I would DCA number two. So let's say that it dumps, then you can just bring down your average cost per entry. Or if it pumps forever, you're going to be like, oh, okay, I DCA'd in number one, so I don't really care because I already have a bag of Speedy. Okay, so this is a very important concept that you guys need to understand. The things that you must not do is after a pump like this. So at the end of the day, yes, it's still freaking cheap. Long term, it's cheap. Long term, you're printing money. Everybody understands that. But short term, you're still on a 40% green candle towards the upside. So what I want you to understand is managing risk, managing expectation, and so on and so forth. These things are very important concepts that you need to understand sooner or later if you're trading meme coins. And if you are trading meme coins, I do recommend BullX. This is, where do I have it? I must have it in some of the links here. BullX is the trading bot that I'm using to trade. Okay, there we go. So BullX is a trading bot that I use for trading every single meme coin at the moment. You can even buy Speedy for that matter, because obviously it supports the Ethereum, Solana. It just makes everything much easier. You can track your profits and losses. You can snipe early CA. So if you're participating into my early CA calls, whether they are in the Discord or on Telegram, make sure to use BullX. And I do recommend 30% slippage, 0.01 priority fees, 0.01 bribe fees. I'm giving you all the alpha, even all the settings that I use to snipe meme coins. So this is it. You get instant access through my link and also 10% off trading fees forever, which is freaking huge. And by the way, without my link, you can't even get access. So consider that a godsend. It's not just me shilling my things, all right? Very, very important to mention. Okay, so here's the thing on Speedy. Make sure to check out my price prediction video. It's going to be published on Tuesday at 5 p.m. UTC. I think that all of my videos, by the way, right now, are going to be posted at 5 p.m. UTC. I'm uploading almost every single day. So you guys don't miss them, all right? Okay, let's see. Say what's up in the live chat. How you doing today, guys? What's up, chat? Grogo Army. I'm going to talk about Grogo in a second. I want to say just what is up to some of the people in the chat. But yeah, we're going to talk about Grogo, don't worry. Have I put it into the... Yeah, it's already in the list. It's already in the list. I think that I should do a separate one for the fucking memes, though, because this is getting too big. And I have too many utility projects, so let me actually copy it. Wait. All right, let me copy and paste it. All right, let's do it here. I'm gonna delete the utility project because obviously today I want to talk about meme coins. What should I put into the top? I mean, I'm still gonna put Brett. Okay, top 3. All the alpha, straight to the point. Brett, Ponke, Turbo, Speedy. I'm going straight to the point today. Okay, so this would probably be my top 5. If I was to buy memes right now and not care about anything, it would be this. Okay, let's make it a 6, and I'm gonna add Hoppy. Or I like 7. I don't like number 6. Who do I put into the 7? I put Grogo. A lot of people are gonna like this. Okay. Fucking hell, I can't even type. All right. Wait. We're doing it real time, guys. Okay. What's missing? What's missing? We're gonna add more. We're gonna add more. Let me know what I should put, what you want me to put into the graph here, and I'm gonna put them right now. Okay. Give me some picks. I'm gonna rank them right here, real time. That's fun, right? Give me some ranks, whether new, whether flips, or... But I want to hear more memes that are more for the long term. So drop them down in the live chat. I'm going to put them right here. Adam, good to see you. Good to see you as always. Bebe Army. You're the only person in the Bebe Army, my friend. Where is the Bebe Army? Because I see the Speedy Army all the way, but I will see Grogo Army. Grogu to the moon. What's up, Prez? Hemule. Is this a meme? Is this a utility? I don't even know what this is, man. I've never seen this project. It's a terrible chart. It's kind of holding the support zone since July. Is this a stable coin? What the fuck? So it's been ranging here for the last 4 months. This looks like a stable coin, I'm not gonna lie. What's the volume? 64K volume for 5.5 million. I know that this is only DEX, but I don't know how many centralized exchanges. I don't think this is a good pick, my friend. I would pass. Kai, it's good to see you. Jerry, shout out to you for being a channel member. Very grateful for your support. What is up? Making money, hand over fist. Big things coming for Duck the Duck very soon. Ever seen the Boys Club? Young Peezy. Okay, let's talk about that. Let's talk about that. So first of all, again, thank you so much for being a supporter of the channel. This is much appreciated. Duck the Duck is obviously sitting into my top 7 of meme coins. I mean, I don't even have to question that. And the price action has also been very good of Duck the Duck. We've seen some whales. I'm not sure if you guys were around just the other day, but we had a whale buy $22,000 of Duck the Duck in a single transaction. The chart is just looking good. It's exactly what you want to see, and it's actually right now forming a very bullish bull flag. I know I'm gonna draw it in a rush and in a very awful manner. So what I would say, if you guys missed an entry on Duck the Duck, just draw the triangle and buy an entry on this side of the line. Right now we're kind of like in the middle, so obviously you could get a lower entry, even if it's just, you know, getting an entry at 1.9 million in market cap as opposed to 2.2 million. In the long term, it's still, you know, gonna give you some better money. So make sure, just check whatever they are building. And obviously we're rumors of a centralized exchange listing that could potentially come very soon. There's going to be a lot of catalyst events and a lot of upside for Duck the Duck that I would expect in the foreseeable future. So just very, very bullish on that. So yeah, obviously my opinion doesn't change. It's some of the best content that you can see on the internet. And right now they have a content library. They have their own merch store. They have monetized YouTube channel. They have a podcast going on. They just have so many updates. Oh, actually, the last thing, entering the Giga Lab. So here you can generate your profile picture. So I found this pretty cool. So you can do a random one, and I don't know why it's so slow. Why is it so slow? What the hell is up? Anyway, this is awful, but you can customize it. You connect your wallet and you use the generator. I'm not sure if you need to spend tokens to do that. I would assume that would be the case. That's pretty much what you do with other projects. But anyway, I think it's pretty cool. So I just wanted to bring it up to you. Let's talk about the other plays. So Young Peezy. It's part of the Mad Fury universe. Obviously, it's not an original character. I'm more bullish on characters that are original, okay? Also, there are so many of Young Peezy, so I quite frankly don't know if you're talking about the one on Base, the one on Ethereum. This is the problem that I have with this place. Like, there's so many variation, even on the same chain. If I'm looking on Ethereum, there's 3 different plays on Ethereum. So which one is the correct one? I would assume this one on Base because it's the one with the biggest market cap. This is like 13.6 million. So I would assume that this is the original one and the one that you're looking after. What the hell? What? Oh my God. Wow, so from in the last 10 days, this thing went 13x? What? This is crazy, man. Oh my God. Young Peezy. I mean, I know this this pick. On base is the right Peezy. Yeah, I guess so. Oh my God. It's crazy, man. Yeah, it's crazy, man. Crazy. I love it, though. I love it. Sheesh. Oh my God. I want the Air Force Ones of Young Peezy. I'm gonna rock them in my live stream. If the team is watching, can you send me some kicks? I mean, I would really appreciate it. I'll shield it for free forever. Send me some kicks. Nah, I'll shield it anyway. I like it. Cool stuff. Cool stuff. Yeah, obviously, would you enter right now? Don't do that. Don't be an idiot. But yeah, congrats to you if you were holding it. I faded it. I'm not going to put it in the top, but yeah. Going to put it here in the good. It's pretty good. I like it. I dig it. Uranus. The planet. Naughty boy. Is this thing? Wow, this must be like the second project that I've ever seen that actually doesn't rock from Moonshot. Should I buy this? We are tired of cats and dogs. The moon is crowded. Planets are the narrative. Let's go to Uranus. Oh, man. It's so retarded. No way, it's doxed? Is this guy doxed? Damn. I must check it out. They have a white paper? That's bearish. Why would you do a white paper on a meme coin? Who's got time to read this? I don't. Gas fee sharing, nobody cares. Okay, it's funny. You shouldn't put utility, nobody cares. 3.9 million, when did it launch? It launched 20 days ago already. 3.96. So overbought right now. Also, guys, just make sure to look at the RSI when considering buying. Okay, relative strength index. This tells you if a chart is overbought or oversold. So if you see, for instance, a 4-hour time frame, you can see that we are extremely overbought. So a correction is due soon. So if everybody is buying, you need to wait until we go here when everybody is selling to buy a bag. This is the time to sell, okay? Without financial advice, this should be pretty much common sense. Interesting play, though. Thank you for bringing it up to me. I don't think that I'd seen it before. Speedy is the absolute best narrative in all of crypto. Yeah, I don't think it's the frogs, but I think it's the community, the cult of meme coins. Love that. Let's go Speedy. Oh my God. See, this is why I'm bullish on Speedy. I'm bullish on the people. I am bullish on the people in Speedy. Look at the people. I'm bullish on you guys. We have another super chat. Why can't I find it? Victor, thank you so much. I appreciate you. 10 Canadian dollars. Thank you so much for your donation. Thank you for stopping by. Is it better to get Brett on Ethereum or Base, or does it make a difference? That makes a very big difference, my friend, because we're talking about different projects. So what you're going to find, I assume that you're kind of beginner to the meme coin space to ask questions like this, but let me type Brett here, okay? And you're going to see so many plays. So there's different contract addresses, meaning that they are different projects. So even here, like you can see that there's different contract addresses. So there's a Brett on Ethereum here. It has a different logo, and the token address has got a different contract address. Same for this one. It's another Brett on Ethereum. So there's a lot of different Bretts. So the one that you want to buy, I mean, there might be some hidden gems, okay, for all that I know. Like there might be some Bretts that are hidden gems, and but obviously they're gonna be gambles. They're going to be straight gambles. So here on that screener, you see that there's two, but they are the same contract address. This is because this comes from Uniswap liquidity and this for Aerodrome Finance liquidity. But that doesn't really matter. Like, look at the token address. If it's the same project, okay? But I mean, given that it's Brett on Base, I can also just search it on CoinMarketCap. It doesn't really matter. And you should probably buy on a centralized exchange because, I mean, why would you buy Brett, the main Brett, on a DEX anyway? But yeah, obviously this is the main play, but if you're looking for something that is gamble money, high risk, high reward, you could follow some of the derivatives. So the derivative could be a Brett on Ethereum. So a lot of people have been talking about this Brett on Ethereum. I personally have not bought it, but I've heard good things about this. So maybe it's something that you might want to check out. Obviously, you're comparing something that is 1 billion in market cap on Base to something that is 29 million in market cap on the Ethereum on this specific contract address. So what you want to buy depends on your trading style, depends on what you want to do with your money. But I think that for the scope of this, you were referring to the main Base, to the main Brett on Base. And honestly, you can buy that. Buy it on Bybit, buy it on BitGet. If you guys want to buy it on BitGet, actually, I have an offer going on and you can get up to 10,000 USDT into a position arrow. So make sure to check it out. You could buy it on BitGet. But if you're in the US and you don't want to use a KYC centralized exchange, yeah, you can probably buy it on BullX. So BitGet if you're in Europe or Asia. BitGet if you're in Europe or Asia, or if you're in the US, yeah, I would recommend BullX. That's where I do all my Memecoin trades. Other than the big ones, that I just use a centralized exchange. But anyway, let's see. Speedy or bust, like that. Sam, what's up, man? Thank you for stopping by. Thoughts on LogX? I don't think it's a Memecoin, so let me check here. LogX. 3.7 million. The chart looks like ass. On some exchanges, what is it? Defi. I'm gonna give you a piece of non-financial advice. Never invest into DeFi projects that are below 50 million in market cap. It's just no use. There's 99% of DeFi projects that are in small market caps go to zero. If you're investing into DeFi, buy projects that are big, because even comes from experience. I've invested into a lot of like low caps DeFi projects, and honestly they just all go to zero. So I'm not even gonna bother looking. Community is everything. Completely agree, my friend. Winning your chat, spirit for a win. I was saying, this is why, man. This is why. We have Simon in the chat. What's up, my bro? I have the same t-shirt. I got this t-shirt in the Solana Villa here in Dubai. So yeah, you weren't here last Friday, but yeah, they were giving away this t-shirt. So I'm gonna do like some free advertising. What's up, bro? I hope you're well. Hope you're well. GM? Freaking 10 p.m. in Dubai. I can tell that you're not here anymore. Speedy going to blow past all-time high. It's gonna blow up, man. I got so many comments. Forgive me, guys. I'm still waiting for more plays, so I'm gonna actually rank them in real time. Oh yeah, Kaspa. I've still got very fat bags of Kaspa, guys. Don't get me wrong, okay? I just made a video that maybe is gonna trigger a lot of people. No, maybe not, because I wasn't saying very controversial opinions. But I made a video on if I'm still bullish on Kaspa. The short answer is yes. If you want to see the long answer that is 9 minutes in length, then make sure to check out the latest video that I posted on my channel. I explain why I'm so bullish on Kaspa still, and why I don't listen to the FUD, I don't listen to kids in their basements, and I don't listen to just whatever. Swish, just pump it. Yes, we also got to talk about Swish. How's Swish looking today? I'm not sure. 130K market cap. I mean, we're still getting higher highs and higher lows. At the end of the day, we've had a bit of a sell-off here. But we did touch the 200K market cap with still a chart that to the normal To the typical normie that doesn't even know how to use deck screener, we still have a candle of 8 trillion in market cap. So for a moment, Swish actually surpassed Bitcoin's market cap. So it was a big achievement. I'm sure that Dev was very happy about that. But yeah, I mean, it's looking good. And also Sui is a bit like ranging up and down. So as soon as Sui also goes to a new all-time high and it goes all the way up, I'm sure that Swish is just gonna just pump parabolic. And the team is cooking. They're super active. They're posting content like every single day. And guys, I'm bullish on the Dev. I'm bullish on what he's building. Just look at this. It's just fucking crazy, man. Oh, I love this. I need to post it. Bullish. Go like my comment. RSS3 is the safest 20x from here. Is it though? Is it though? Let's take a look. I don't even know what that is. $75? My God, that's such an ugly chart. This is an exchange, it's on OKX. Where's the description? Is the open information layer structuring open information for the next Twitter, Google, and OpenAI? Decentralized network. So it's like an oracle, no? I guess. To be honest, it's the first time that I see this, but 76 million already? What was the highest? This is 300 million in market cap. It's on good and reputable exchanges, so I'll give you that. I don't know this project. I'm gonna do some more research, but yeah, it doesn't look that bad on that glance, but the chart doesn't look good. The chart just looks heavily manipulated. Like, look, it seems like they're just trying to take advantage to liquidate their position every pump that we get. So just look at here. This is like not normal behavior. Like, it's too much. It's just freaking weird, man. I don't know. Bit sketch. Speedy has gained 1,000 more holders a week. 20. I don't understand your ring. Has gained 1,000 more holders. Has gained 1,000 more holders every single week. On the 21st, it hit 2,500. Now 3,500. That's crazy. Crazy. Especially with the price action on the downside, they've gained more holders. So more and more people are actually noticing about this project. So yeah, that's very good stuff, man. Pratik asks, what meme coins are relatively safer to hold and can do a 10 to 30x from here? So, first of all, safe, relatively speaking, because at the end of the day, there is nothing like a safe meme coin. Because if the cabal decides to sell on you, on these billions of market cap projects, you're still going to get wrecked, okay? Now, is that likely? No. I don't think it's likely that the Brett cabal dumps on you. I don't think it's likely that the Ponke cabal dumps on you. But it's something that you need to be aware. Okay? To me, it's just as likely as, oh, today the founder of Solana decides to like shut down the Solana blockchain. I think it's just the same likelihood of that. That being said, 10 to 30x safely, Brett, Ponke. Brett is a safe 10x. Ponke is a safe 20x. Turbo could be a safe 20x. So yeah, I think that those are probably the three. I mean, even Speedy. Speedy I would consider it safe at this point, given the community holding the floor. More towards the third. Okay, Brett 10, Ponke 20, Speedy 30. Could do more though. Take a look at KRC20 memes. I'm really not interested. Give me a reason. Give me a reason to check KRC20 memes. Also, I don't even know where to look for them. They're not on that screen, right? Kaspa is not here. unless I haven't really followed. Can you tell me where to check them? I don't even know. I'm not really following. But I'm open to follow, for sure. Long-term cheap, short-term is for suckers. Maybe. Mudang. Is this a copy or is the OG? I don't know. Whatever. Emoji. You mean the narrative of emojis? I'm not really a fan. Okay, Mudang, I'm gonna put it in the okay. Pump too much. It's gonna lose steam. Short term, yeah, sure. I mean, got listed on Binance Future. I don't remember. Was it Futures or Spot? I can't recall. But yeah, like you shouldn't buy like the narratives when they're peak. Like it just doesn't make sense. Speed is the real deal. I agree. Speedy to the billions, yes, sir. We have super chat. Where is it? Adam, thank you so much. Check out Bebe, BB. Don't feign Matt Fury's Blue Frog. I took a look at this. I don't know, man. I don't know. First of all, thank you for the super chat. Second, I'm not sure. Like, I see a narrative for the frogs that are like main characters, but this looks like an NPC to me. All right? Mr. Hoppy, this is just for memes. Should I put it that it's memes? I'll put it here, right? So people think, oh, you just invested, you're a meme coin max. You know, I'm not. All right? Look, memes is the main one. This is memes specific. So no, I didn't change it. Do you think that I will remove all the layer ones? Okay, back to Bebe. Yeah, it's kind of broken down the parable trend. To be honest, this chart is quite bearish. I don't know. I mean, if it holds this line, maybe. The thing is, like, I am bullish on Frogs by Matt Fury, but it's one thing talking, okay, Pep is the OG. Then there's Hoppy. Hoppy is obviously the first frog. I mean, not even with obviously, because a lot of people don't know about that, but it's the first frog by Matt Fury. Night Riders came before. And then we have Fefe, which is the third. But this is just a side character. You want the main character. So, I don't know. They only have 300 followers, so it's obviously very niche. I don't know the lore. I don't know if... I mean, it says it's from Mind Viscosity, so I assume that this is not a made-up character. I need to research it. I need to research the community. Without looking at the community, I can't really say much. I need to check the community. For now, I pass on this, but I'm going to take a look at the community. Maybe I'm going to change my mind, but for now, it's a pass. Goodbye. Did you check out the memes on XRP? Oh, man. You still have the best community. Sorry, let me get a bit up. Thank you so much, Kai. And thank you for being here from the start. I know that. I see everything. Oh, I saw this. No, not Speedy. Oh my God. Where's the comment? There's too many Speedy comments. I can't even find comments anymore. Hi, Sipro. What happened with Scoot? Scoot, in my opinion, had a very disorganized launch in the sense that the concept was good, but the tokenomics were just bad because there was too much allocated to pre-sale, and the KOLs on X, which I'm not talking about YouTubers, but the proper KOLs on X are very infamous for selling their bags and cheating out. So in my opinion, there was too much selling pressure from the pre-sale, and I can't even remember the percentage of pre-sale, but it was a very high percentage, and I think that there was too much selling pressure from the KOLs or X. There was some that just sold 100% of the bags after receiving the airdrop, and I think they just demolished the chart. I think that the team had very good intentions, but they were perhaps a little ingenuous into arranging tokenomics that way. So, yeah. You complain about fading coins. Open your mind. Nobody's complaining. What the fuck?
Stupid.
Bert. So generic. Give me a CA, my friend. There's no other turtles in the space. To be completely honest, I'm not sure about that, but Speedy could be the king of the season, for sure. Mario Cairo, good job, man. Thank you so much. What do you think of Moon the Cat? Moon the Cat. Oh, is it this one? Chart looks bad. Lifestyle brand? Why do they link to a link tree? Who hurt you? Moon the Cat. I mean, they even got a community on there. Are they partnered with Frog? I kind of dig this. Low key. Yeah, I'm gonna study the community. Could have potential. Why not? Is the community based? When did it launch? 2 weeks ago. I'll take a look. Colt. I think I've seen this. Yeah, I remember. Wasn't this... Is this a CTO? I think this was rugged, no? I remember JR posting about this, but then I think that the dev rugged it. Yeah, I don't know the situation. Is this a CTO? Mr. Lorpez? If you can tell me. I think it's a CTO, but it doesn't show. I don't know. Not sure. Guys, I want to remind you, I want to have a very quick second to remind you that I have now partnered with CoinW and I have a free trading group for futures trading signals, okay? So if you want to get my futures trading signals, that is completely for free. I'm not charging anything. It's a Telegram group that you're going to get access if you register with my link down in the description of CoinW. You register and then you have to deposit $100 into your futures account on CoinW. And then you can click on the other link that I have down in the description of the CPRO and CoinW Futures Trading Group, and you get access for free forever. So make sure to check it out. It's a limited time offer. So yeah, you want to get in sooner than later. Also, you can have a $50,000 USDT prize pool. So make sure to check it out. This is completely free, guys. Check that out. So if you're doing futures, you should not fade that. And I also want to give a shout out to all the new TA analysts that have joined my community on the Discord, because my community on Discord is expanding and we now have 3 full-time chartist analysts for TA, which is freaking huge. My community on Discord is growing by the day, so I'm very grateful. So I wanted to do just a shout out to you all. I love you. Love you to death. Thank you so much. Nacho, Kaspa, and Kaspa are on exchanges. Where though? Like, where do you even check them? They're not on CoinMarketCap, from my knowledge. Oh no, it's on CoinMarket. Where is it, Nacho? Why is it listed on these crappy exchanges? So Pionex, I guess Americans use it because it's regulated in the US. Nobody uses CoinEx. 63 million already. I mean, I think that the only people that are making money with Nacho right now are the people that minted it. And also, it has no volume. 1%? Are you kidding me? 1% for what is supposed to be the top meme of the ecosystem? I am sorry, bro, but I don't get it. Maybe I'm going to change my mind, but I am making a shitload of money trading memes on Solana and Ethereum and Sui. Like, I just don't see this. Like, there's no volume. Like, nobody cares. Right now, if you buy Nacho, it's pretty much a stable coin. 6%, whatever, bro. Like, I just wing traded for 10 minutes yesterday. I made a 4x on Solana. Like, what's the point? If you guys have been in my Telegram, I did a shitty trade yesterday. I made a 4x. That's it. It was even public available. Like, doesn't make sense. And on that point, I would make sure to join my free Telegram group because it's completely free. It's linked down in the description as always. Somebody, I can, oh yeah. Mr. Hoppy said Oscar. Let's see if we can add something to the list. Oscar is the Shiba kind of thing, whatever. So this is another Shiba wannabe. The chart was awful, but kind of bounced back here. Volume is okay. I wouldn't buy right now, 60% up. I'd fade it. But I don't know. Does this narrative make sense? I don't see it. I don't see it. I know people that have made money with this, but yeah, I'm not sure, my friend. Meme maxes will make the most ROI because we run first, then pump the normie alts. Yeah, I understand your point. There are hundreds of cat, dogs, and frogs. Turtle coins are a new thing of meme scene. Yeah, I agree. I agree. It's something different. Don't be a meme coin maxi of a single meme coin. Have a portfolio memes. Never put all of your eggs in one basket. That's stupid. I'm sorry. Even if you have the best meme coin in the world. Don't do that. Hoppy. Hoppy deserved a spot in my top 7 memes. Oh, I need to be top memes. All right. What else do I mean? I mean, Oscar, I put it here. What else did I see? Colt. Colt, I really don't have a strong opinion. I don't have a strong opinion on that. What else did I see? I should have ranked them immediately. Sorry, guys. Bebe, I don't know. For now, I put it on bad, but maybe I changed my mind. I haven't still checked the community. For now, I put it there, but maybe I'm gonna change my mind. It's just I don't see it before researching it. Wolf on Ethereum, good point. Good. I like Wolf on ETH. Domain on ETH. I mean, 0x 60. I can't remember. Wolf on ETH. Get over it. Let's see. Guys, give me some more picks. Let's fill up this list. Oh, Trump coins. I'm going to put MAGA like the main one. And also the MAGA hat. Like, they're good. They were actually dumping a lot this week. I don't know why. I think one of the whales in MAGA was dumping a lot. I saw a wallet dumping. But yeah, short-term FUD. Especially now with Trump getting more and more popularity with the Joe Rogan podcast the other day. The elections just around the corner. I mean, we're looking bullish, guys. We're looking bullish. Okay, I think that this is going to be an absolute shitcoin. Frog, beer, frog. This is going to be terrible. What kind of contra address is this? This is a weird chart. 11K volume. 11K volume. I can do a buy right now and I do more than the normal daily volume. Match Fury character? What? This can't be real. Is this real? So this is actually earlier than Hoppy? Can somebody Google it and let me know? Nah, I think it's BS. Maybe it was like a shitty sketch. Nobody cares. Is there proof? I mean, the domain, but I can't know that this was... I mean, even so, like, you can't make a storyline out of a sketch. It's not really a publication. And this thing doesn't have volume, so nobody cares anyway. Nah, pass. Pass. What's the figure of this? Frog. Beer frog. Nah. Wyack, check it out. B-E-G. Oh, this pumped a lot. Yeah, I faded this, unfortunately. I think it's dead. I think it's gonna die, but this was a great trade. Some people in my VIP Discord traded this and made a lot of money. Unfortunately, I didn't, but this is also why my Discord is so freaking good, because it's not just my calls, but sometimes a lot of my members have a lot of alpha. My team and my even fellow members, a lot of alpha all day round. And also, guys, just a quick reminder, there's an early CA that's going to drop very, very soon, right? An early CA dropping later tonight. So you might be in time, but you probably want to join ASAP if you want to get the early CA tonight. That's all that I'm going to tell you. First link down in the description, Cipro.com, QR code above my head. That is how you get access to the private group. And since I'm running an offer that is going to end with this week on a discount on a lifetime membership, you can prove that you watched my live stream to get the discount. Just email me onion. You need to email me onion to my email, info@cipro.com. I'll give you a discount to a lifetime membership if you watch the live stream until now. Email me onion. You got a discount on the lifetime membership. I never do discounts. This is the first time that I'm running a discount on a lifetime membership. I've never done this ever. So it's probably not going to come again. So it's a big deal. So, LOR, instead of telling me if you know what I know, I don't know what you know. So if you want to tell me what you know and want to make me bullish, this is your chance. Otherwise, I'm just going to consider the project dead because it has no volume and the chart looks like crap. Crow with a knife is decent. Yeah, I think it's good. Saitama report. I might have seen it. Yeah, pass. Want real alpha, my friend. Bale, good to see you, bro. What are your thoughts on the comedian whose sticker is banned and is on Solana? I do not think that I've seen it. Ban. Yeah, it has had a big correction, so it's a bit risky to get in now. Guys, by the way, if you've been watching until now, can you please do me a favor and drop a like for the algorithm and to help push my channel out there? I would really appreciate it. I'm doing these live streams for free. There's no sponsors on this live stream, so I would really appreciate it if you can just drop a like, and that really helps to push my channel out there. So it really mean a lot to me. Okay, I'm gonna take a look at this comedian. I've never seen this before. It's just a banana with some duct tape? What? Damn, bro. This looks so stupid. By the way, I think it's a copy because I've seen it already. So it's probably not going to be long-lived because I remember that I'd seen the same exact image on a meme coin. Jerry says, CoinW isn't available where I am. There's some areas of the world that are restricted, like very few though. I know that there's some states in the US that are banned, but if you use a VPN, you can use it. So all you gotta do is just use a VPN. If you don't have one, I also have a discount for NordVPN. It's like a couple of bucks a month. It's extremely cheap. And with a VPN, you're going to be able to use CoinW without any issues. But it's very weird that you say that it's not available where you are because it's very few areas in the world. So you are one of the unlucky ones because most of the US, you can use it without VPNs even. But in that case, just download NordVPN and then you're going to be able to use CoinW without any issues. So don't worry. There's no restrictions provided that you have a VPN. And still non-KYC, okay? Non-KYC, you won't have to KYC. So all of you Anons are going to love that. Love the show, bro. And thank you so much. I appreciate the kind words and thank you for stopping by. Thank you for all the info. But guys, you're too kind today. You're too kind. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching the show. If you have enjoyed Super Community, you are stupid. Our crypto exchanges sell the news event. That is correct. That is correct. Crypto exchanges are sell the news event. Maybe not as much as utility projects because obviously memes are less VC oriented than utility projects and VCs tend to dump their bags at the exchange listings. Cold community members not as much. So that's why we don't have like massive sell the news events. But they still dump a little bit, but maybe that dump is not as long lasting. I hope it makes sense. And after that, we go parabolic anyway, so yeah. Nero. I'm going to put it in the good, like the Nero CTO. And I'm going to put the Nero Cabal as bad because that was a failure. Druggy is good. I like Druggy. What? What? I think it's pretty shit. It's just fucking rat. Yeah, that's it. The other ones are all in my list. Fleabon, I'm aware of it. Fleabon, I think it's okay. There's better Met Fury plays out there. OR is okay. Again, nothing crazy about the character. Let's see. Anything else that I'm missing? Yeah, I think that's enough for today, guys. This live stream, you're missing out if you're not on my private group tonight because you might be making thousands of dollars in tonight's call, even with as little as a couple of Solana. So I'll leave that to you. If you want to join, you know where to find me. And again, if you want the discount of a lifetime membership, it's running until the end of the week. I don't think I'm going to run these discounts ever again. Just email me Onion and you're going to get access to that. All right. I'll see you soon. Take care. Much love.